So I'm back at the garden center and I wanted to show you today's haul. I got some beautiful, beautiful pinks and purples and grasses. Hello, I didn't even check to see if I had any dirt in my face. I'm still in the garden and enjoying myself today. I'm going to show you where I'm at in my garden today. I did work a little bit off camera. You'll be able to see what I set up. I got some new flowers in and planted also, but I'm going to show you. I'm transplanting some sedum from the front yard. It was unhappy because my magnolia trees are kind of taking over and it needs to be in full sun, so I'm taking it out here and I'm separating it, dividing it to create some beautiful ground cover. So I have these beautiful here salvia. I got these when did I get these? I got these a few days ago. Oh, there. So I planted these here, hoping, of course, that it'll fill up by next year and it'll just like look a lot bushier, right? This is the Shasta Daisy. This is the Isabel Shasta Daisy. They are just beautiful. This I set in there. I think I showed you that also, and it's starting to plump up a bit. It rained so much on it last night. There's so much rain all day yesterday. I was just so happy for my plants. Unhappy for me because I'm not working in the garden, but at the same time, I kind of did work last night from 8 to 9. It was kind of drizzling, but I just felt like being out here and being in the dirt and being with my my beautiful new plants. So here I am planting some sedum here, right there. I'm going to plant a few more here. And that makes beautiful purplish flowers for the fall. And I found out that it's fine to transplant them even midsummer. They're pretty hardy. They're pretty, they forgive you pretty much, and apparently it's fine. Here, I got these. These are called, they're Delphinium Red, Lark number 1. And I definitely have to keep that card there. They are just absolutely stunning. With the new grasses I got in, this was mail also. I ordered this through mail. I got more flowers coming also. I got these beautiful hollyhocks. These are hollyhocks, right? I'm learning. So these are my beautiful grasses. There's 2 more that came in. I have another grass also coming in that was ordered with these grasses, but for some reason they sent them, you know, in different, they're mailed out in different times. I decided, see where these pots are? Those are the grasses that are gonna come in. There's another pot there. I don't know why I moved it, but anyhow, those are the other grasses that are coming in that I'm gonna plant there. I am thinking of doing rock here, setting up rock like a wall, because I need place to be able to come in and actually work with my plants, right? Digging them up or whatever. And anyway, this is all going to end up becoming shade because of the tree, and I may have to be cutting some of the lower branches out. I'm thinking of getting a beautiful basket or some sort of beautiful planter, something really, really nice that I could put here, and I could put beautiful flowers in it and whatnot, something cascading or something. I got some new tools. I don't know if I showed you guys that I have new tools, and I actually have a tool belt also, which I'm pretty proud of because all of my tools can stay. Oh, the tools are over there. I got that knife that I think I mentioned you guys. Look at this knife. Did I mention this knife? Instead of using steak knives, I know I talked to you guys about a knife. I got this. This is like a grass knife. This is just amazing to lift grass. And I got myself a new pair of nippers just to take, you know, for deadheading. Enough of me yapping. I got to get these babies in the ground. So I don't want to plant too close to my roses. I know I can lift these when I want, but I really don't want to go and touch the roses' roots when I do lift them. So I don't want to place them too close. And the way I'm planting, by the way, I think I mentioned, is more cottage style. And that is just that you plant your plants a little closer than what they say so that it fills up faster and it just looks better and quicker. And when you plant that way, you don't have to mulch so much and you don't have to weed so much because it's causing a lot of shade and the weeds don't get any sun. I ordered spring bulbs. What did I get? Oof. I got tulips for sure. And I'm not remembering what I got, guys. I got so much stuff. I'm just on a rampage of buying and buying. I'm just allowing myself to splurge this year because this has been a dream of mine for quite a while now. I definitely would like to put a soaker hose in there or have an irrigation system, but that could be something for like another project at another time in my life. For now, I will be hand watering and caring for my garden for this year anyhow. All right, so I have a few little sprigs of these left. So I'm still gonna plant them. I'm not gonna waste this. This will eventually make a beautiful plant. So I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna have to be watering these babies every day. They say it's fine to transplant them, but I gotta be on them to make sure that the roots take. All right, so I'm gonna say thank you for hanging out with me today. There's a lot of work done. And the next video I'm going to be, I wanna plant my wisteria. It's all done here for now. And I think there's just a few things that I'll be adding again to this. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so there's just a few things that I'll be adding to this. I do have a few grasses, like I mentioned, coming in. I want to go get some ground cover, something really low, thyme or something like that. Next year, I am definitely going to be placing some annuals back here. I found a nice piece of wood here that I had. I think I might. I wanted to do something with it standing. I don't know if I'll keep it like that. Maybe something that could come cascade over it. That could be something nice. Thinking of that. And maybe some rocks here. And then all of this, I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll do stone but I just want to leave this area, no dirt, so that I can come in here and do the work as I mentioned. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me. And yeah, there's a lot more to do, so let's keep gardening.